Hey guys and girls, what's going on? Josh back here with another video. You may sound like crap because I'm ill, but anyway, let's do the video. What I'm going to be making today is an Aquilegia flower. I haven't seen this one being made, I haven't seen it on YouTube, I haven't seen it in metal. I don't know if anyone has done it. I'm sure people have this, you know, but I can't see any. All over Google, all over Facebook, YouTube, blah blah blah. So basically I'm just going on this one on my own. So what I've done is I'm designing the templates and then from there we'll do it. So what I need to figure out is my templates, then we'll figure out the petals, and then we'll figure out how to build it piece by piece as we go along. So it's my first time, so I really hope you enjoy watching, and I really hope this turns out well.
I'm on my last straw, I'm broken and I'm broken up. I'm done feeding your lies, I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me, 'cause I'd start over now.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. These Aquilegias didn't turn out as great as I hoped they would. First time doing it. There's my own template, my own design. Trying to replicate the flower as much as, but instead of folding them over, I should have kept them straight. I think it would have looked better. But they don't look too bad. They're not terrible, so they're okay. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you learned something from it. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to rate, comment, share and subscribe. Also, follow me on my links on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat and Instagram. All them links will be in the description below too. Previous and next videos in the description. Also, check out some of my playlists. There's knife making, woodworking, metalworking, some welding. Something there that I'm sure will interest you. Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.